Hello, hope all is well with you. Appreciate you for clicking on this video. I would like to first of all say that by no means am I a financial advisor, not a counselor. I'm just an everyday person living my life. I spent some decades in corporate America, public and private sector, executive positions, ownership, business ownership. I am a Florida licensed insurance agent. I'm an entrepreneur. I have obtained a lot of things. I've lost a lot of things. And I've also secured them once again, plus some more. I feel like my life, I learned a lot of things. And I whenever I learn something, I try my best not to hide it, not to cover it up. I want to share it with you. And I want to share it for some people who may not have gone the journey that I've gone. This may be beneficial to you. I'm hoping that it is beneficial to you, but I want to just share a few things about the times and how times will challenge you. And I want to share a few things with you for some strategies that may be useful to you. I'm going to do a series of videos, and I encourage you to like and subscribe so you can catch the notifications, because I'm going to do some serious in-depth videos. A lot of people, they talk about very, very high level. They don't really share the solutions on how in the world did you do it. I want to go in depth and kind of cover some things on how I can overcome financial crisis and ways that I have overcame financial crisis. It's getting thick out here. If you look around me, you see fog. Your vision is not that clear because of the challenge that you face, some of the things that you're going through. You feel the walls, for your financial walls, are getting a little bit closer. You don't seem to have that drive and that go like you used to. I get it, been there, done that. And you're looking for some solutions. You're looking for some answers. So we're going to dissect some of those things, and I know I can't do it all in this video, but my goal is to at least share with you a few simple things. One thing is get organized. I mean, get organized like crazy. And if you're not the organizer, find somebody real close that you can trust to help you get organized. And what I mean by get organized, I want you to write down every single thing that you do, every single thing that you spend. Do your budget. Walk through your budget. First, don't give yourself no guidelines. Do what you've been doing. Then go back and analyze. Take a look at what you're doing. You'll be surprised on how much you're spending. If you notice things are getting very expensive, they're going to get a little bit more expensive. The squeeze is going to be real. And right now is an excellent time for you to lean up. And what I mean by lean up, get rid of anything you don't need. Whether it's extra on the cable, whether it's a certain service, a certain app, lean up. Now's the time to lean up. The reason why I want to tell you to lean up, because when it get tight, you don't want to then try to prepare yourself for that situation. You want to already be lean and ready to go. Because the reason why you want to be as lean as possible is because it's going to make your journey a little bit better. When a lot of people are struggling, you're going to be okay. So take a look, organize, and get disciplined, and then build your budget. That's first thing. First things first. Know where you are, know where you stand. Another thing is you want to save as much as you can. Knock out any type of debt that you possibly can. And you want to prepare for the worst. You want to try your best to prepare for the worst. Put yourself in a good financial situation. Clean up your credit. Save your money, because there are going to be opportunities that's going to come, and they're going to be like maybe once or twice in a lifetime type of opportunities. They're going to arise, and you're going to think there's no way you're going to be able to do it. But if you get lean, you get organized, you get clean up your debt, you'll be amazed on the opportunities that's going to get ready to rise. Okay. Another thing you want to do, change your hobbies into money. Change your hobbies into money. if your hobbies, I think every single hobby, I don't care whether you're gaming or whatever you're doing, you can create some kind of wealth system. I don't care if it's $20, $30, $40 a month. Up your game with that. Look for ways to incorporate earning extra income in what you're doing. There's several different ways. I give you a few because I don't believe in just throwing things out there. I don't care whether if you got a lawnmower, go cut some grass. If you got a social media account, I don't care if it's 10, 15, 20, 200,000, 400,000 followers or subscribers. Find a way to generate a revenue through that following. Whether you do affiliate links, think about whatever you buy. If you're a large consumer of something, reach out to that company and look for affiliate programs or look for different sales opportunities. Some people say, I can't sell. You sell every day. Every day you go to work. Every day you inspire somebody. Every day you motivate your friends. You're selling. It's not about selling the products. It's about displaying who you are. Don't get sales twisted. I've been commission only sales for quite some time in my life. And I only talked about what I sold in my first interaction. Only talked about it in the first interaction when I introduced myself. The rest of the time, we talked about everything except for what I sold. Another keynote that you want to do. You want to make sure that you form an alliance. And what I mean by form an alliance, I want you to form an alliance as far as friendship, as far as family. And I'm talking about a good, strong alliance. Not that type where they're doing bad and you form an alliance because you're doing bad. Not that type. I'm talking about a type of alliance where align yourself with some people that are doing better than you or where you want to be at. And the reason why I'm saying that, because right now, before it gets bad, now's the time. Now's the time. You know, you want them to ask you for something rather than you asking them for something when you need something. Always remember that. And the reason why I say align yourself, I'm going to talk about dissect it relationship-wise, personal-wise, family-wise, professional-wise, is because during these dark times and during these challenges, you're going to need somebody that's doing something, that's being innovative, being creative, and it probably has a little bit more experience than you have. You definitely want to align yourself with that. And I'm going to give you one more, and then I encourage you to please like and subscribe, because I'm going to give you a little bit every single day. And we're going to just take these bites, bite by bite, okay? We're in this together. And I've been here, done this. I've lost everything. When I say everything, I lost my business back in the past, lost my retirement, I lost my home, lost cars, but I was able to regain all of that stuff plus some. And most of the stuff that I had the opportunity to get, I lost interest in it. And that will happen. Stuff can be replaced, but your mental health and your physical health and your family is not worth the risk for stuff, okay? The last one is a big one. If you are in a financial crisis and you feel like it's spiraling out of control, before it gets too bad, or even if it is bad, get rid of it. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Get creative, my friend. I mean, whatever it is, if it's holding you back and it's not providing you resources, it's just there based on pride. I've been there, y'all. Let's keep it real. If it's based on pride, you know it's based on pride. It's based on status. Well, I'm in sales. If I look like I'm not a certain statute, I won't obtain the following. That's not true. Not if you truly showing yourself and being yourself. You are valuable. Let that stuff go. I know you want the premium channels. I know you want the certain types of apps. I know you want a certain type of membership. Let it go. You don't work in the gym long enough. Let that gym membership go. You can still work out. You can still use your body weight to stay toned, to stay fit. You can still grow your own foods instead of having those meals prepped and brought to you. You can prepare your own foods. You can grow your own foods too. And one thing I want to encourage you all, it may be a little bit rough but you're not alone, and you can get through this. You wouldn't be faced with this unless there were solutions. So be prepared, get ready. You got what it takes. I know you can do it. And stay tuned with more information on how to overcome financial crisis. Y'all be well, y'all be blessed, and take care. This is Rob, the Cultivator. I'm here to cultivate wherever I go, develop and bring growth. Y'all take care.